UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon has apologized to the people of Haiti for the UN's role in a cholera outbreak that killed thousands. The deadly disease spread after UN peacekeepers dumped infected sewage into a river in 2010. 9,300 people died from the contamination and 800,000 others were left sick. The UN has apologized for spreading the disease but does not accept legal responsibility for causing it. Karaman Halishelik has the latest from New York.
In a carefully worded public apology, the UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon apologized to the people of Haiti for the UN's role in the 2010 cholera outbreak in the island nation. Mr. Ban did not take full responsibility on the part of the UN, but he said he was profoundly sorry for the organization not doing enough to prevent suffering